Good morning, evening, night, or whatever other time it may be at your place of residence. This is Harley Badger speaking. Here we have a Marpac Sleepmate. It's a Model 900. It's patented, see? And this is the predecessor to the Marpac Dome, I believe. It's a 2-speed, and what it does is it creates white noise while you sleep. And I picked this up at a thrift shop locally. It was like $5. These things go on eBay for crazy amounts. So I said, I have to give it a shot. I know my good friend Nicholas Lauer is really into these kind of things, and I've never experienced one except here and there at work. They had them scattered about the waiting rooms so that it would block out any loud noises that were coming from the therapy rooms. It's 2-speed and it's adjustable in a couple of ways. First of all, the outer ring rotates, and I'll show you the differences in the sound. The outer ring rotates and the upper dome rotates as well, and it changes the sound that you hear. So I'm going to turn everything clockwise as far as it'll go. Then I'm going to turn it on low and high. I believe the first speed is going to be high, and I'll adjust the rings so that you can hear the differences, and then I'll switch it to low and adjust it again. So here we go. Okay, that's on high with everything clockwise. Now I'm going to slowly rotate the upper half of the dome so that you can see how the sound changes. Okay, and that's back fully clockwise. Now I'm going to rotate the side ring, and you can see how that sound changes. And then all the way back clockwise. Okay, now I'll return them both. So you can see how you can uniquely shape the sound to exactly the type of white noise or pink noise that you like. And if it's too loud, you can switch it on low. There's low. Go. Now when I got this, I disassembled it, and I should have taken some video while it was disassembled, but as always, hindsight is 20/20 with me. In the bottom is a standard C-frame motor like you might find on your standard 6-inch desk fan, and oddly enough, around this area is a very flat fan blade. It has probably 8 blades, and it's just flat right here below this top dome. And when I opened it up, it was simply packed with dirt and lint and dust. So I cleaned it all out and oiled the motor, put some Novus on it, and Vinyl X the power cord. On the bottom, it had 4 feet that were deteriorated, so I replaced them with 4 felt pads. And here it is. Squeaky clean and works perfectly. I'm not sure how old this is. If anyone viewing this video can tell me, that would be appreciated. Also, if you enjoy this video, hit like. If you're not subscribed, please do so now. Oddly, the majority of our viewers aren't even subscribed to us. Subscribing really helps. If you'd like to become a patron to further our interest in vintage electronics and electrics, the link is in the description. And it is our patrons who allow us to be able to bring these videos to you. Well, that is the Marpac Model 900 Sleepmate. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you next time.